A reliable soldering iron is an essential tool for electronics repair, DIY projects, and professional circuit work. With fast heating, precise temperature control, and comfortable designs, today's best models make soldering easier, safer, and more efficient. Here are the best 5 soldering irons you should consider today. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Zoyi ZT-N1 soldering iron. A dependable soldering iron should make every repair feel straightforward, delivering stable heat, comfortable handling, and consistent results without unnecessary complexity. This model is designed with that purpose in mind, offering a practical combination of power, portability, and ease of use for electronics repair, home maintenance, and general electrical work. Whether replacing components on a circuit board, repairing wires, or handling everyday soldering projects, it provides reliable performance that helps users complete tasks with greater confidence and efficiency. The 96-watt heating capability gives this soldering iron enough power to reach working temperature quickly while maintaining dependable heat during continuous use. Rapid heating reduces waiting time and allows users to move directly into their projects, making it especially useful when multiple soldering jobs need to be completed in succession. Stable heat output helps create cleaner solder joints with improved consistency, reducing the chances of weak connections or uneven solder flow. From simple household repairs to more detailed electronics work, the heating performance provides the reliability expected from a quality soldering tool. Designed to operate with a constant temperature output of approximately 380 degrees Celsius, the soldering iron delivers dependable performance across a wide variety of common soldering applications. This temperature is suitable for many electronic components, cable connections, and maintenance tasks, offering enough heat for efficient solder melting while helping users work with greater control. Maintaining a consistent operating temperature contributes to smoother solder flow and cleaner finishes, making everyday repair work easier and more predictable without requiring constant adjustments during operation. Portability is another valuable advantage. Its lightweight and compact design allows the soldering iron to fit comfortably inside a toolbox, storage case, or repair kit, making it convenient to transport between work locations. The balanced construction also improves handling during extended use, reducing hand fatigue while allowing greater precision when working with smaller components. Whether used by professional electricians, maintenance technicians, or hobbyists, the comfortable design supports better control throughout each soldering task. Pros: fast heating, constant temperature, portable design, certified safety. Cons: fixed temperature, corded design. Number 4, Finirsi HS-02 soldering iron. Bringing professional soldering performance into a compact and highly portable tool is no easy task, yet this smart soldering iron manages to do exactly that. Designed for electronics technicians, makers, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts, it combines rapid heating, precise temperature control, and modern USB-powered convenience in a lightweight package that is easy to carry anywhere. Whether assembling electronic circuits, repairing mobile devices, maintaining computer hardware, or tackling home improvement projects, it provides the speed, accuracy, and flexibility needed to achieve clean, dependable solder joints with minimal effort. Its powerful 100-watt heating system is one of the first features that makes an immediate impression. The ceramic heating core reaches operating temperature quickly and maintains stable performance throughout continuous use, allowing users to spend more time working and less time waiting. Fast heat recovery helps maintain consistent solder flow, even during demanding tasks, making it suitable for everything from delicate electronic components to larger connectors and wiring jobs. Reliable temperature stability also contributes to stronger solder joints, while reducing the risk of uneven heating during extended repair sessions. Precision is equally impressive thanks to the adjustable operating temperature ranging from 100 to 450 degrees Celsius. This wide adjustment range allows users to fine-tune heat output according to different solder types, materials, and project requirements. Lower temperatures are ideal for sensitive electronic components, where careful heat control is essential, while higher settings provide ample power for heavier electrical connections and more challenging repair work. The ability to customize temperature improves both efficiency and component protection, making the soldering iron adaptable to a broad variety of professional and hobby applications. Power delivery is handled through a modern USB Type-C interface, with support for both power delivery and quick charge protocols. This allows the soldering iron to work with compatible USB-C chargers, power adapters, and portable power banks, giving users greater flexibility, whether working at a desk, inside a workshop, or on location. Fast charging minimizes downtime, while making the tool an excellent companion for mobile technicians who need dependable performance away from traditional soldering stations. Pros: powerful heating, touch display, adjustable temperature, multiple tips. Cons: PD charger, no stand. Number 3. MiniWare TS101 soldering iron. Having a soldering iron that delivers professional-level precision while remaining compact enough to fit comfortably into a tool pouch can make every repair project significantly more enjoyable. Designed for technicians, electronics enthusiasts, engineers, and makers, this portable soldering iron combines intelligent temperature control, flexible power options, and rapid heating into a sleek and lightweight design. Whether repairing circuit boards, assembling electronic devices, maintaining computer hardware, or completing intricate DIY projects, it provides dependable performance that helps produce clean, accurate solder joints with impressive consistency. One of its greatest strengths is the highly adjustable temperature range, spanning from 50 to 400 degrees Celsius. This broad range allows users to select the ideal heat level for different soldering materials and applications, making it equally effective for delicate electronic components and more demanding electrical connections. Accurate temperature control helps prevent overheating while improving solder flow and joint quality, giving users greater confidence when working on valuable or sensitive equipment. Stable heat regulation throughout operation ensures reliable performance, even during extended soldering sessions. Power flexibility is another feature that greatly enhances its practicality. Supporting standard DC input from 9 to 24 volts, together with PD 3.0 compatibility from 9 to 28 volts, the soldering iron works with a wide selection of USB-compatible power supplies, portable power banks, and modern adapters. This versatility makes it an excellent companion for technicians who frequently travel between work locations or need reliable soldering capability away from a traditional workstation. Instead of depending on a fixed power source, users can choose the most convenient option while maintaining dependable heating performance. Despite its compact size, the heating system delivers impressive output, with up to 65 watts of power, and the capability to reach even higher levels under suitable power conditions. Fast heating significantly reduces waiting time before beginning work, while efficient temperature recovery helps maintain consistent solder quality during continuous operation. This combination of speed and stability improves productivity, allowing both professionals and hobbyists to complete projects more efficiently without sacrificing precision or reliability. Pros: precise control, USB-powered, fast heating, multiple tips. Cons: power-dependent, no stand. Number 2. Alientek T90 soldering iron. Standing out in the world of portable soldering equipment requires more than simply generating heat, and this smart soldering iron proves that with an impressive combination of speed, precision, and intelligent engineering. Built for electronics professionals, repair technicians, engineers, and dedicated hobbyists, it delivers workstation-level capability in an incredibly compact form. Whether assembling advanced electronic projects, repairing delicate circuit boards, servicing industrial equipment, or performing field maintenance, it provides the accuracy and responsiveness needed to complete demanding soldering tasks with confidence. One of the most remarkable features is its adjustable heating power that ranges from 18 watts all the way to an impressive 140 watts. This wide output range allows users to match power delivery with the specific requirements of each project, from delicate microelectronics to larger electrical connections that demand greater thermal capacity. The advanced heating system reaches solder melting temperature in as little as 2.5 seconds under supported power conditions, dramatically reducing waiting time and helping maintain an efficient workflow. Fast temperature recovery further ensures that even large solder joints receive consistent heat without noticeable performance drops, resulting in cleaner and stronger connections. Temperature control is equally refined, offering an adjustable operating range between 80 and 450 degrees Celsius with excellent stability. Accurate regulation helps maintain dependable soldering performance across different materials, solder types, and electronic components. Sensitive circuit boards benefit from lower temperatures that reduce the risk of heat damage, while higher settings provide ample power for demanding repair work and larger conductive surfaces. Stable temperature control contributes to improved solder flow, cleaner finishes, and greater overall reliability during extended soldering sessions. Power flexibility adds another major advantage. The Type-C interface supports both PD 3.1 and QC 3.0 fast charging protocols while operating across a broad voltage range from 9 to 28 volts. This allows the soldering iron to work with compatible USB chargers, desktop power supplies, and portable power sources, making it equally suitable for workshop environments and mobile repair work. Intelligent sensing technology further improves efficiency by helping conserve energy while extending the life of the heating element through smarter power management during periods of inactivity. Pros: ultra-fast heating, adjustable power, IPS display, wide compatibility. Cons: external power. Number 1, and the winner is Finirsi Hydrogen Sulfide 03 soldering iron. What truly elevates a modern soldering tool is the ability to deliver dependable performance wherever the job happens. And this cordless soldering iron is designed with exactly that flexibility in mind. Built for electronics technicians, engineers, repair professionals, and DIY enthusiasts, it combines reliable heating, portable convenience, and intelligent design into a compact solution that adapts to a wide variety of soldering tasks. Whether repairing delicate circuit boards, assembling custom electronics, maintaining electrical equipment, or handling emergency field repairs, it provides the precision and consistency needed to produce clean, durable solder joints with confidence. One of its most valuable features is the ability to operate in both cordless and wired modes. This dual functionality gives users complete freedom to choose the most practical setup for each project. Wireless mode is ideal for working in locations where power outlets are unavailable or difficult to reach, providing unrestricted movement around the workspace. When extended operating time is required, switching to wired mode delivers continuous power without interrupting productivity. This combination makes the soldering iron equally suitable for workshop environments, mobile repair services, and home electronics projects where flexibility is essential. The adjustable temperature range from 100 to 450 degrees Celsius provides outstanding versatility for a broad range of soldering applications. Lower temperatures are perfect for handling sensitive electronic components that require careful heat management, while higher settings generate enough thermal power for larger connectors, wiring, and demanding repair work. Accurate temperature regulation helps improve solder flow while reducing the risk of damaging valuable components, allowing users to achieve stronger, cleaner, and more professional results, regardless of the complexity of the project. Continuous productivity is further enhanced through the replaceable battery system. Instead of waiting for the soldering iron to recharge before continuing work, users can simply install another charged battery and resume soldering almost immediately. This practical feature is especially valuable for technicians handling multiple repairs throughout the day, or professionals working in the field where charging opportunities may be limited. The replaceable battery design minimizes downtime while ensuring dependable performance during lengthy repair sessions and demanding workloads. Pros: dual operation, replaceable battery, wide temperature, T210 compatible. Cons: battery extra. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.